Hey, so if you want to charge your Redmi Pad second generation, I'm actually using two methods. The first one, I'm using cable connected straight into my PC. Take a look. That's the 25 watts charging on my laptop, and as you can see, it just start charging my tablet. So we can connect this tablet straight into your PC, into your laptop, into your game console, or even into your TV. But also, as you can see over here, I've got my charger. It's from Motorola and it's super fast, 125 watts. And now I'm gonna show you that it's also work with this one. So now I'm just gonna bring that cable over here. There we go. And now it's also charging my device. So there's only two methods. There's no wireless charging, so we can use only wired method, and you can connect this cable into your PC or into charger. You don't have to use an original. So yeah, that will be all.